April 1st, 2012. Kyla's a little over, she just made 7 months. Hi, girlie. Show everybody how you can crawl. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. Come. Come on, I know you can do it. Come. You're getting tired. Oh yeah, you're getting tired. Come. Oh yeah.